Just a quick video here. I walked by my Roomba and the trash can icon was blinking at me. And when I opened it up, it was actually clean. So if you ever have this issue and the bin is clean, these little sensors on the side need to be cleaned. And the sensors inside here as well. There's two that correspond. Once those are clean, it'll think that the bin is clean. And as I picked it up, I noticed that this is looking pretty nasty. So let me go ahead and show you how to change these brushes out. You push in, lift, and they just come right out. Okay, so I've decently cleaned these brushes. I'm going to reinstall now. They just drop right in. Close the door. Flip the bad boy over. And there you have it. No more trash can error. Hope this video helped, and be sure to check back for more. And here is Squirrel. Say hi.